You ready, Salsa?
Yeah.
You want to take a hike?
Uh-oh.
Where are we going, buddy?
Oak Mountain. We don't have Zeus with us this time, but it's fun.
We have what?
We don't have Zeus with us this time, but
Okay. We're going to a different campsite though, right?
yeah.
We've never been to this campsite before. Everybody's got umbrellas. Oh, look at this mud hole.
Oh god.
Look out. We'll go around the other, I guess we go around the other side.
Alright.
Oh man. The shoes are gonna be soaked.
Like that.
Yeah.
People have died on this trail?
Huh?
People have died on this trail?
No.
Yeah, there.
Take a picture of that.
Yeah. We're going to stay on the yellow trail for a long way. What?
I was saying that a lot when we went out west,
Yeah.
and then like Henry and them started saying it.
God, I caught my arm.
Whoa.
What?
You cracked that stick.
What up?
What's wrong, buddy?
This is a weird thing I have to do with my shoulder. It doesn't feel good.
Is your pack okay?
Yep.
Okay.
Here.
All right. We're on another little short adventure doing an overnight hike. It was about 91 degrees today, and it started raining this afternoon with a bunch of pop-up storms. So me and my two boys did kind of an impromptu hike where we're gonna hike for about 4 miles, and then we're gonna camp at a backcountry site. So we're gonna do this kind of 4 miles in and 4 miles out and see what happens. It's always interesting to me when you try to get together a little overnight camping trip, just how difficult it can be to get everything together, because you want to camp and hike like you're out for 4 or 5 days, and so you end up packing too much. I didn't know what we would need and what we wouldn't need, so I probably put too much stuff in here, but my pack is pretty light, so it doesn't feel bad. And we'll go on for the day, and hopefully the rain will hold off tonight, but there could be storms. And then we'll get up tomorrow and hike about 4 miles back and be done for the day. But it's always fun to get my two boys out and hiking. I hope someday that they will enjoy it enough to do it on their own. But you know, I don't know if it'd be something they like. I don't want them to do it just because I like it. Anyway, we're out for the day. We're gonna set up camp. We've got a hammock and a tent. Me and my youngest son will be in the tent, and my oldest son will be in the hammock. I imagine with the humidity that it's going to be probably some mosquitoes out around 5 or 6 p.m. We'll see. All right, we'll keep moving on the trail. Hey, frog. Well, we're going through a cool little section here where it's just we're like a canopy of trees that cover and blot out the sky. Not that you could see anything anyway, because the sky's full of rain today. Anyway, oh, spider web. See if I can get it. See the spider web? That's pretty.
Spider's right there.
Ooh, there's a spider. Ooh, okay.
That'll just be for memories. I tried to kick the stick and that didn't work.
This is the part I like, going down this hill right here.
Stick.
What are you doing?
You remember when I almost killed Olivia with that
With that what?
with the tree?
When?
Because I was pushing a tree over when we went to freaking Cenote,
Oh yeah,
and they got lost.
yeah.
I almost killed Olivia with a tree.
It's like Saw the Destroyer right here.
Crush, destroy, win.
Huh?
Crush, destroy, win.
That's your t-shirt?
Huh?
That's your t-shirt?
No, that's what Nike says.
Oh.
Crush, destroy, win. Crush, destroy. Oh no.
Stick's
No.
looking kind of rough there, buddy. Do that.
Oh crap. Oh, this is a good one. Uh-oh.
No! Whoa, that's a big old tree. Look at that. That's kind of new. The branches are still green. Are you going across that way?
Yeah, I don't like the bridge. The bridge's not safe. This is not safe.
Okay.
Step on that one, then that one, then that one, then this one, then that one, then that one, you're out. Come on, hold on, deep in there. See how deep it is. Okay. Come on, dude.
Okay, go. Good job. What's up, Sosa?
Hi. Oh. That's my new whacking tool.
Y'all hear that music playing?
That was my music.
Do y'all not hear it?
I hear it.
It's like Smoke on the Water, that song. I wonder if somebody's down here camping.
Come here.
What did
Not going,
toads
dude.
kill? What did toads kill?
He's gonna come this way. Look, he's gonna jump right on you.
Oh, hey, buddy.
Oh gosh!
He's not gonna
Come
hurt
here,
you.
son.
He's
Go
not gonna
this
hurt
way.
you. Whoa. Hey, man.
Hey, son, come here.
Come here, boy.
Come here. Here you go, buddy.
No, no.
You want him?
No, no.